Hello, I'm Jeremy Dyson. Welcome to Trophy Rides, where we hear the story behind the ride. Follow me and let's go hear the story behind this beautiful Chevrolet pickup. All right, I'm here with Stan, checking out this Apache. What year is this?
58. 58 Apache.
How long have you had it?
37 years. That's an original color paint too, tartan turquoise. It's a factory color.
It's pretty.
That's a period correct 283 with a few modifications on it, but it belongs in this truck. This is what it used to look like when I first bought it 37 years ago. Yeah, I painted this probably 35 years ago. And then I just painted this. I'm 70 right now. I'll be 71 in August. I painted this on my 65th birthday. Wow. Almost 6 years ago.
I said I wouldn't have guessed you were 70.
I wouldn't either, but
it's all a number.
Yeah, it's just a number.
That's it. Boy, look at this interior.
Yeah, I had them put the blue stitches in it to match my paint.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
That is cool.
Yeah, they're kind of hard to see.
I gotta show this.
Yeah, the eject button.
The eject button when your wife starts fussing at you.
That guy was just here talking with me. He gave me that ejection button at a car show.
I've never seen one like that. That's hilarious.
I had a 3-speed on the tree, and I took it out. And I bought me a 4-speed to put in the floor. And it's like, what am I gonna do with that hole? And that ejection button fit perfect.
That's great. I love that. Yeah. I need one of those in my truck so that way my wife gets a fussing.
I've got the original spare tire carrier for this, but I forgot to drill the holes in it.
Uh-oh.
And I'm scared to drill it to put it on, so I haven't done it. But this is premium oak. I stained it dark walnut.
Wow, that's pretty.
I put my gas tank back here because I didn't want to ride with the gas behind the cab.
I don't blame you.
I've got an original perfect gas tank, fits behind the seat. Yeah, I found these on the internet. These are the tags that would have been on this truck when it was brand new.
Oh, wow.
I found those on the internet and got it legal for it. Yeah, I put all new dual exhaust on it.
This is a good looking truck. Look at those simple controls.
It even came with the original, that's still got the original speaker in it. It came with the speaker and an antenna, but it did not come with a radio.
That's weird.
I took the plate out. That's an aftermarket radio. I wanted to fill the hole in. I bought an aftermarket radio that looks like the original.
I would have never known.
Right. But that's just weird. It came with a speaker and an antenna, but no radio.
That is. I love that poor man's air conditioner.
Yeah. Oh, it works too.
Oh,
you got those two vents there. You can open these side vents up.
I miss that.
Yeah. Yeah, these are all tinted green glass.
Take note to the microphone clipped to his pocket.
I had a glass company put these in both doors.
And when I get done
back
with
when I first got this truck for 35 bucks.
Oh, wow. You got a deal.
That's when I play.
Yeah, they mounted it inside the chrome frame.
That's awesome.
For 35 bucks for both doors.
You can't beat that.
Oh, you couldn't get it down.
It'd be 100 times that much. When we got through walking around the truck, we looked for that microphone for at least 20 minutes before we ever found it.
I'm having a lot of fun with it.
I bet you are. I bet you grab a lot of attention going down the road in this thing.
I got enough trophies to fill that whole bed up.
Well, it looks like he gets to add another trophy to his collection. Congratulations. If you have a classic car or unique ride you'd like to see featured here, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and tell your friends.
Got a rock and roll soul.